greet you all with your time in your places. I still remain Okoye Timothy Mark. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, Okoye Timothy Mark. Today, I want to show the secret of multiplying numbers by 5, multiples of 5 and submultiples of 5. Whenever you multiply any number, be it a whole number or decimal or a fraction with 5, by 5 rather, just half the number and shift the decimal place one step forward. I repeat, half the number and shift the decimal place one step forward. For instance, 2 multiplied by 5, the half of 2 is 1, and actually 1 is also 1.0. So you see the decimal place one step forward, that gives you 10. 0.0843 multiplied by 5, no problem. Half of this 0.0843 is 0.04215. So see the decimal place one step forward, and that gives you 0.4215. That is your answer. This is your answer. That's 9.683, or let's say 6875. All multiplied by 5, no problem. Just get half of it, that's now 19.84375. See the decimal place one step forward. That gives you 198.4375, and that becomes your answer. If you multiply it by 50, it's still the same process of halving it, but now you see the decimal place 2 steps forward. It's by 500 you multiply, still half it, and see the decimal place is 3 steps forward. In a nutshell, when you multiply a number by multiples of 5, the multiples here I'm referring to multiples as concerned multiples of units, like 50, 500, 5,000, or so. The first step is to half the number, and then shift the decimal place forward the number of times there are digits in that number. I repeat it, half the number and shift the decimal places forward the number of times there are digits in that multiple of 5. For instance, if I have 63 times 5, I'll have this goes down 31.5. I'll see the one step forward, then it goes 315, and that is the answer. I shifted one step forward because 5 has 1 digit. If it is by 50 that has 2 digits now, after halving it, I'll see 2 decimal places forward. Yeah. So that gives me 3150, because the first one I shifted, the decimal place come in front of 5. Then shifting it again, and now give me this, because this is like so if I have 73.68 times 5,000, no problem. Usually have the digits. When you have digits, you have 39184. Okay. Now how many digits are in fact of 4 digits? So I see the decimal place 4 step forward. 1 here, second. Now I have exhausted the digits, so third one is just to add 2 zeros to make it the 4 decimal place. That's 391,840 and the 0. That becomes your answer. If it is 5 million, and I want to multiply, let's say 46 times 5 million. I don't have to bother myself. Just have the digits of 46, that gives you 23. How many digits are in 5 million? 7 digits. So these are 23.0, I'll move it. So it's just like, since 23 is a whole number, just add 7 zeros to it. 7 zeros to it, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So that is now 230 million. That is secret of multiplying numbers by 5 and its multiples. If it is by 5 and its submultiples, go and find anytime you multiply a number by 5 by submultiples of 5. The submultiples I talk about here are 0.5, 0.05, 0.05. Usually the principle still remains half the number, half it. When you half it, then you see the decimal places number of backward, the number of times there are 0 in the decimal part of the multiple of multiple of 5. The number of times is shift to the let me repeat it, shift the decimal places backward, the number of times there are 0 in the decimal part of the submultiple of 5. For instance, if I have 78 times 0.5, 0.5 has no, I will have the 78, that gives 39, and of course this is 39.0. Now, is there any 0 in the decimal part of this 0.5? No, so I'll leave my answer like this. But if it's something like 78 times 0.005, the usual thing, half it, that's 39.0. How many zeros are inside the decimal part? 2 zeros. So I'll say backward one step, then second step. So the answer becomes 0.39, and now it becomes the answer. So even if I have 76.15 times 0.05, I don't have to blow myself. Half of this is 38.075. So how many zeros are inside the decimal part? 1 0. So I shift the backward. So the answer becomes 3.8075, and that becomes your answer. Even if you have it as 99 times 0.000005. The half of 99 is 49.5. How many zeros are inside the decimal part? 5 zeros. So see the 5 decimal places backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is done. 2 here. So 0.000. So that's done. 0.000495. And that becomes your answer. So that is the secret of multiplication by 5 and its multiples and submultiples. See you in my next video. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment on my YouTube channel, Okoye Timothy Mark. If you have any question, send it on through the comments in the comment section. Click on the comment and send question. With this, I've taught you now. Try this at home and see how fast you can be. 12 by 5, 12 by 50, okay, 50,000. 12689 times 500, 0.7834 by 0.0005. Thank you and God bless you. I asked myself, Okoye Timothy Mark, how do you see the video? Comment in the comment section.